Very good morning. Central nervous system. Brain and the spinal cord, a delicate vital structure, protected in bony cavity, the skull and the vertebral column, respectively. Central nervous system formed white matter or gray matter, presence of myelin sheath. Meninges of brain. Dura matter, organoid membrane, pia matter, connective tissue membrane or meninges, dura matter, tough membrane, outermost thick fibrous membrane, organoid membrane, spider, middle thin vascular membrane, web-like cushion, pia mater, tender innermost delicate membrane, richly supplied with blood. Meningeal membrane protect the brain from mechanical injury. Structure of brain. Forebrain, cerebrum, diencephalon. Later consisted dorsal thalamus and ventral hypothalamus. Cerebrum, largest portion of brain, forming nearly 2/3 of brain. Cerebrum longitudinally divided two halves, right left cerebral hemisphere by deep cleft, median cleft. Cerebral hemisphere interconnected. Two cerebral hemisphere interconnected by thick band nerve fibers called corpus callosum. Outer portion of cerebral hemisphere formed of gray matter called cerebral cortex. Outer portion of cerebral hemisphere. Inner portion white matter called cerebral medulla. The cortex extremely folded elevation gyri. Depression between them sulci that increase its surface area. Cerebral hemisphere, frontal lobe, a parietal lobe, temporal lobe, occipital lobe. This cerebral lobes specific function. They have a specific function. Occur any damage affect its functions. Cerebrum responsible for thinking, intelligence, consciousness, memory, imagination, reasoning, and willpower. Thalamus present in cerebral medulla, conducting center for sensory and motor signaling, act as a relay center. Hypothalamus lies at base of the thalamus, control involuntary functions, act as thermoregulatory centers of the body, control secretion of hormones from anterior pituitary gland, link between nervous system and endocrine system. Midbrain located between thalamus and hindbrain. Dorsal portions of the midbrain consist of four rounded bodies called corpora quadrigemina. It controls visual, auditory, hearing reflexes formed of three parts. Hindbrain formed of three parts: cerebellum, pons, medulla oblongata. Cerebellum, second largest part of brain. Two large-sized hemispheres and middle vermis coordinate voluntary movement of maintain body balance. Pons. Pons is a Latin word meaning bridge. Bridge of nerve fibers connect the lobes of cerebellum. Relay signals between the cerebellum, spinal cord, midbrain, cerebrum. It controls the respiration and sleep cycle. Medulla oblongata. Medulla oblongata, posterior most part of the brain, connects the spinal cord and various parts of the brain. It has a cardiac center, respiratory center, vasomotor centers, control heartbeat, respiration, and contractions of the blood vessels, respectively. It also regulates vomiting and salivation. Cerebral cortex functions: sensory perception, control of voluntary functions, language, thinking, memory, decision making, creativity. Thalamus functions: act as a relay station. Hypothalamus function: temperature control, thirst, Anger, urination, important link between nervous system and endocrine glands. Cerebellum functions, maintenance of postures and balance, coordinate voluntary muscles activity. Pons and medulla functions, role in sleep awake cycle, cardiovascular, respiratory, digestive control. Control center for all this. Spinal cord. Spinal cord, a cylindrical structure lying in neural canal of the vertebral column, also covered by meninges, extend from lower end of medulla oblongata to first lumbar vertebrae. Phylum terminal. Spinal cord contain a cerebrospinal fluid filled cavity known as the central canal. The gray matter spinal cord is H in shape. Upper end of the letter H forms a posterior horns. Lower end forms the anterior horns. Bundle of fibers passes into posterior horns forming a dorsal or afferent root. Fibers passes outward from anterior horns forming a ventral or efferent root. These two roots join to form spinal nerve. Spinal cord conducts sensory and motor impulse to and from the brain. Controls reflex action of body. Cerebrospinal fluid. Brain suspended in special fluid environment. Cerebrospinal fluid. In the skull, lymph-like watery fluid surrounds and protects the brain. It also fills the central canal of the spinal cord. Function. Shock absorbing and subjected to sudden jerk. Supplies nutrients to the brain. Collect and remove the waste from the brain, maintaining the constant pressure in cranium. Reflex action. A reflex is any response that occurs automatically without consciousness. Types of reflex action. Simple or basic reflexes, acquired or conditioned reflexes. Simple or basic reflexes, inbuilt and unlearned response. Winking of eyes, sneezing, coughing, yawning. We perform this action without thinking. Acquired or conditioned reflexes. Reflexes are the result of practice and learning. Example, playing harmony. Most of the reflex actions are monitored and controlled by the spinal cord, hence also known as spinal reflexes. The pathway to the nerve impulse to accomplish reflex action is called reflex arc. When we touch a very hot pan, heat stimulus sensed by the receptor or a thermoreceptor in our hand. Heat stimulus in turn triggers an impulse in sensory neuron. Sensory neuron transmit message to spinal cord. Spinal cord interprets the stimulus, impulse, relay neuron transmit to the motor neuron. Motor neuron commands to give the commands to the spinal cord. Our arm, muscles in our arm contract and we withdraw our hand immediately from the pan. This is about central nervous system. Please share, subscribe. Thanks for watching.